Hey everyone, it's Brian the Paleo Dude here with a quick video update. I know my last one, I kinda had a little bit of technical difficulties with getting the eyes to glow in the dark. I forgot that I could just walk over and turn off the light, so I'll do that real quick now. And let's take a look at the eyes again on the Troodon Pectinodon custom figure. If you're on this video right now, you can check out the link at the end of the video that I'll include, and it'll show you to the full video. It's just me rambling on about how this dinosaur is super cool and why I made this custom. But the eyes do glow in the dark, especially when it's pitch black. They do glow for a longer period of time. But this was pretty neat custom to do. Those are just little glowing beads. You can also use hot glue and then glow in the dark paint over top of the eye, and the teeth are just toothpicks. Very fun figure to customize. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Again, check out the link at the end of the video to see the full ramble about this guy. There you go. Bye-bye.